You are now tuned into CALSOSCOPE.
This is a pretty cool setup for Brandon Ingram's lighting, but we can add 2 simple layers to make this more dynamic. I made a hazes group just to keep track. Haze is what's going to bring out some of your light sources and actually separate the background from the subject. So I'm going to add the first layer. I'm going to put this one on color dodge. After I put it on color dodge, I'm going to go over to my brush tool, and then I'm going to color pick a relatively similar color that is in the brighter part of the scene. So I'll pick this purple right here, that's fine. And now I'm going to brush on just on top of Brandon Ingram very lightly. So you can already see a difference of before and after, starting to get more dynamic already. In the corner of the room, you might want to pick a brighter source so that you can have a little bit more tones that are more value over here. Just keep your flow low on your brush opacity. Now for the second layer, we're going to add one, and we're going to put this on linear dodge. We're going to do the same thing. For linear dodge, you don't need a very bright tone, so I'll pick one in the middle ground over here as far as our values. And I'm going to brush this on the shadow areas of Brandon Ingram. The reason that I brush a linear dodge on the shadow areas of Brandon Ingram is so that you do get more of a contrast on your shadows. You can actually add light to your shadows and it makes it look more contrasting, more interesting. If you ever want to have more control over this, you could just do something called a solid color fill. And you can set this to linear dodge, invert the mask with Control I, and then paint on with white on your mask because white is going to reveal. Just switch between black and white so that you have more control. And if you really wanted, you could add one layer beneath that and then put it underneath the Brandon Ingram mask and add just some light to balance everything out and separate the background. So check out how 3 layers make such a difference of before and after.
Feel free to subscribe and support the creator on Patreon.